Hello friends, let us discuss the concept of class 11th chapter 2nd exercise 2.3 functions. A relation f from a set A to a set B is called a function. If every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, that means f from A to B. This is telling about function from set A to set B, and if every element of A has one and only one image in B, then this is known as a function. In general language, a function f is a relation from a non-empty set, means any element is there, to a non-empty set B such that domain of function is A and no two order pair have the same first element. I discussed in my previous video कि what is domain. Domain is the first element in order pair and range is the second element in order pair. So if every element has different domain in order pairs, then it is known as function. Let us check how is it function. There are 3 points to check. Every element must have image. हर एक एलिमेंट की अपनी इमेज होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, every element in order pairs must have unique image या must exist in image. मतलब अगर ए सेट का कोई एलिमेंट है तो उसका बी सेट में इमेज होना ज़रूरी है. नो एलिमेंट must repeat on first place. Like 2 order pairs are here, 3 element is repeating, so it is not a function. But here 9 is repeating on second place, so it is a function. On first place it not be there, first पे repeat नहीं होना चाहिए, that why it is not a function. But this is a function because first is different. Clear? Now how to check? Examine these are the functions or not. Now you have to check कि ये function है या नहीं. These relations are given to you. First relation is 2 1 3 1 4 1. Now see, every element has different number on first place. Here 2, here 3 and here 4. So doesn't matter on second place if any number is repeating. So this is a function because every element has its image. हर एक एलिमेंट की अपनी इमेज है और कोई भी एलिमेंट ऑन फर्स्ट प्लेस इज नॉट रिपीटिंग. So this is a function. Now second one. See here 2 is same on 2 order pairs. मतलब 2 order pairs में 2 फर्स्ट प्लेस पे सेम पड़ा है. Whenever we are putting 2, then they are giving 2 and here it is giving 4. Is it possible? No. So this is not a function because domain place cannot be same. Third one is 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5. Yes, this is a function. Yes, because every element has unique image. Only second one is not a function because on domain place one number is repeating there, so it is not a function. First and third are functions. Next is types of functions. There are 6 types of the function. First one is identity function. It is clear from the name. Let R be a real value function. F from R to R, real to real. Y is denoted by f of x is equal to x, means y is equal to x. If you are putting x, that is giving same result as y, so this is known as identity function. If domain and range both are same, this is domain, you are putting, what are you getting? This is range. If domain and range both are same, this is known as identity function. Second is constant function. if f from R to R where y या f of x is c, then it is called constant function because x is not there. Now domain is real. Any value you can put here. You can put any value here because function is defined, but range is only c. Why? It does not affect because x is not here. यहाँ पे डोमेन पुट हो ही नहीं पा रही. सो डोमेन वी कैन से कि इट इज़ रियल बट रेंज इज सी ओनली. आफ्टर पुटिंग एनी वैल्यू यू आर गेटिंग रिजल्ट एज सी ओनली. सो दिस इज नोन एज कॉन्स्टेंट फंक्शन वेयर वेरिएबल विल नॉट बी देयर. Polynomial function, you know polynomial function is that which is in the form of this one. In general language we can say x raised to power any can be there. This is also a polynomial function. Next, rational function. Y is equal to f of x is equal to means numerator upon denominator function will be there, but it must be sure कि x can never be -5. Why? Because if I put -5 here it will make it 0, so function will not be defined. तो इसकी डोमेन जो होएगी वो क्या होएगी, रियल नंबर में से 5 माइनस कर देना. क्यों कर देना? क्योंकि -5 पे जाके फंक्शन को क्या कर रहे हैं, अनडिफाइंड. मॉडुलस फंक्शन, यू नो दिस इज़ अ मॉडुलस फंक्शन एंड वेन एवर वी विल ओपन देन यू नो कि x इज़ लेस देन 0. अगर x की वैल्यू 0 से कम मीन्स नेगेटिव होएगी, योर आंसर विल कम -x. इफ़ x इज़ ग्रेटर देन या इक्वल टू 0 देन इट विल गिव ओनली x मीन्स पॉजिटिव x. नेक्स्ट इज सिग्नम फंक्शन. yes, this is not too much important but just like definition you can see. If x is greater than 0 then you will write 1. If x is 0 then a function is 0. If x is less than 0 then your function is -1. So less than 0 is -1. Next is keys to remember. F plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Now keys to remember is f plus gx means fx plus gx means no problem is here. You multiplied the function f of x, g of x. Similarly subtraction is there then you will take negative sign. Product is here you will take productive, and whenever in rational form is there means we can say division form then you will take them in division form means x you will take with separately with the functions. Now let us discuss the examples. First question is let f of x equal to x square, g of x is 2x plus 1, f plus g. Here f of x plus g of x. So what will we do? We will take them separately and we will put the values f of x and g of x. Clear? Now f minus g of x. Then what will we do? Same there I told in formulas, just you will put the values. And now whenever you will open g of x bracket then signs will be altered. In third one product is there, it means you will write the functions in product, put the values. F of x is x square, g of x is 2x plus 1. So I multiplied. If you want then you can, otherwise leave here. Next is f of g of x. So separately I have kept here also. Again I put the values of functions. Next is let f of x is root x, g of x is x, find f of g x. Same here, no problem is here. Whenever you have to find it in division form you will write them, then put the values. Now you know x is here, we can write it 2 times with the root, 1 will be cancelled, so 1 upon root x is answer. Next is which of the relations are functions, give reasons, find domain and range. अगर वो फंक्शन है तो उनकी डोमेन एंड रेंज होएगी तो फाइंड करनी है. फर्स्ट वन इज 2 1 5 1 8 1 11 1 14 1. येस दिस इज अ फंक्शन. वाई? बिकॉज वी हैव टू सी ओनली द फर्स्ट प्लेस कि दे आर नॉट रिपीटिंग ना. हेयर 2 इज कमिंग 1 टाइम इन दीज ऑर्डर पेयर्स, 5 ऑल्सो. All number which are coming on first place in order pair they are not repeating, so this is a function. Now domain what will be? You know first elements of the order pair is domain and second element in order pair is your range. So only one is repeating, one is there. Range can be same but domain can never be. Next one is 2 1 4 2 6 3 8 4 10 5 12 6 14 7. Yes, again this is a function. Domain, you know, first elements of order pair you will write in domain, and in range second element you will write. Third question is 1 comma 3 1 comma 5 2 comma 5. No, this is not a function. I told domain element can never be repeated. One is giving 3 and one is giving 5 here. How is it possible? So this is not a function, then we cannot find its domain and range. Next is find domain and range. Yes, now you will see firstly what is given to you. You know कि domain is what? Domain is that value on which a function is defined. Means function define हो रहा है. So all values we can put here. ऐसी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है जो हम यहाँ पुट करें कि फंक्शन अनडिफाइंड हो. सो डोमेन इज रियल. रियल मीन्स एवरी नंबर इज कैन बी पुट देयर. एंड नाउ रेंज. रेंज मीन्स what are you getting after putting domain. Now you can see every number will give you negative number only. तो क्या आएगी? रियल विद नेगेटिव नंबर ओनली. क्योंकि आप चाहे जहाँ नेगेटिव पुट करो चाहे पॉजिटिव, बट आंसर विल रिमेन नेगेटिव बिकॉज नेगेटिव साइन इज हियर. सो इट मीन्स रियल नेगेटिव नंबर विल बी योर रेंज. नेक्स्ट इज एफ ऑफ एक्स 9 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. यू नो कि देयर इज अ स्क्वायर रूट. यू कांट पुट एक्स हेयर विच इज मेकिंग इट मोर देन 9. मोर देन 9 यहाँ पे हमने अगर -3 पुट किया तो व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग? -3 का स्क्वायर 9, 9 minus 9 0. फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड. -2 you are putting 4, 9 minus 4 √5. Yes, same here you can. But if I put suppose -4 या 4 I put, then you are getting 9 minus 16. What are you getting? -√7. So you can't take negative with the root value here because your functions are real valued function. So real value functions are there, so you can't take. This is imaginary. You already introduced by this number. So that's why domain are only these numbers, and range which numbers will come whenever you will put these values. Whenever I am putting -3 or 3, you are getting 0. -1 and 1 you are putting, then you are getting 2√2. Means all the values are coming in range. Next is f of x is x square plus 2. X is a real number. Domain is real. Any number from real you can put here, but in range you will get only 2 to infinity. 0, 1 negative number you will not get. Why? Because if we are putting negative number here only, then it will make it positive. So only 0 square is what? 2. So it will start from 2 up to infinity. Any number can be there. Next is f of x is given to you. F of 0, f of 7 and f of -3 you have to find. Very easy. See what is change here? Only x is replaced by 0. So in place of x you will put 0 and you will get f of 0. Similarly f of 7. Similarly f of -3. In this manner you will find the values, just replacing the value of x. Next is t of c is given to you. Find t of -10, t of 0. Find c when t of c is given to you. Means 3 parts are here. Firstly we will do same in that one. Replace c -10. Clear? So after that I solved 14 I got. Similarly 0 I will put, then 0 into something plus 32. So it will be 32 only. Now t of c is given to you 212. Means this one is given to you 212. Then you have to find c. Then by comparing and do like terms on one side, you will find the value of c. I got here 100. Clear? After solving, c is kept one side and other one side. Next is find domain of f of x. You know you have to find domain. I told what is domain, where the function is defined. But now you can see कि this is a rational function. If you have to see कि which number is making it ज़ीरो, सिर्फ ये जो फंक्शन है वो इसको क्या बना सकता है, अनडिफाइंड. सो वी विल मेक फैक्टर्स ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर फर्स्टली 1 and 4. Only these two values are making them 0 because these are the roots of them. So function is defined for all values except 1 and 4. रियल वैल्यू फंक्शन में से अगर 1 और 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो इसकी क्या आ जाएगी, डोमेन, और फंक्शन हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, डिफाइंड. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. Only in domain you have to see where function is defined. In other तो no problem is there, but when rational function is given to you, you will take the denominator which is making it 0. So you will subtract it from real value. So this is the way of finding domain.